Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Open your Canva design and focus on the slide you want to narrate. Click Uploads, then select Record Yourself to start live recording within Canva. Use a quality microphone and position it 3 to 6 inches from your mouth for clear sound. Record in a quiet room and speak slowly, with consistent volume and steady pacing. Set your recording sample rate to 44, 1 kHz or higher, and save the file as MP3 for reliable compatibility. After recording, drag your audio onto the Canva timeline beneath your slides. Trim audio clips by dragging handles to remove breaths, silences, and awkward pauses. Use the fade handles to create smooth transitions between clips and prevent abrupt starts or stops. Adjust clip volume to match music or other audio layers and avoid clipping. Align each clip precisely with on-screen visuals and set start times in seconds to sync. When finished, choose Export and pick MP4 for video or MP3 for audio-only delivery. Select 192 kbps for MP3 or the default high-quality MP4 export to preserve voice clarity. If background noise persists, export the raw audio and process it externally using a noise gate or denoiser, then re-import the cleaned file. Keep narration peak levels around -6 dB to -3 dB to avoid clipping and leave headroom for music. Check the final file on headphones and speakers before publishing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.